Greetings, Daniels here. This is Wolfram Alpha, and I'm using it to analyze, in this case, a JPEG. In this case, this JPEG right here, this flower. And you can see that Wolfram Alpha gives me the dimensions, the size, the aspect ratio, etc. Which manufacturer or camera was used. Let's take the photo, and you'll see down here I've got some options: contrast, brightness, gamma, etc. And I can decrease, for example, the brightness and decrease it again. On the right hand side you'll see a little swirly window or circle saying that it's in process, and it's finished. If I tap on the image, I can save the image, and let's go take a look and see if it's actually saved as a 7 megabyte or if it's saved as a teeny tiny thumbnail. Let's go take a look at that. Theoretically, it'll show up in my photos. There it is. Okay, so you see what it did. It didn't actually save that one photo. It saved the whole strip as a photo strip. Not very useful, but you get the idea of what it does. And you can see that in fact it's not a very large photo. It's a very low resolution. So effectively all it did when I clicked on save was it saved this whole strip. The other thing, something I really wish that Wolfram Alpha made it easier to do, is you see I have these image transformations. For example, emboss. Now if I tap on emboss, I don't get any new pop-up or any new information. If I tap on emboss down here, it doesn't show me the code that was used to generate this. So we'll go ahead and do a test here, and I'm just going to type emboss, because this theoretically should process Wolfram code, and it doesn't have auto completion in Wolfram Alpha. And the keyboard does not include a tab, which is also a bummer. But let's go ahead and see what it can do. Alright, so it did interpret image effect, import, etc., etc. So it looks like it did try, but it didn't actually perform. Oh, and here it is. Alright, so what I need to do is copy mathematica input, and let's try that. Let's paste, and we'll run it. It's trying to do something. No host found. So it doesn't appear to work. The Wolfram code does not appear to work on Wolfram Alpha in this example. It might work, but at this point it doesn't look like it does. Alright, thanks for watching, and happy computing.